Think flight attendants make a lot of money? Well, here's the truth. Most of it doesn't go into luxury shopping or dream vacations. In fact, a huge chunk is spent on something unexpected. Stay with me, and you'll find out where crew members' salaries really disappear. Being a flight attendant isn't just physically demanding. It takes a toll on your health. And that's why a lot of cabin crew money goes straight to doctors and medical expenses. Not because they're always sick, but because staying healthy in this job requires constant monitoring. Flight attendants don't just visit doctors when they're unwell. They go for regular checkups to monitor their health. The constant flying, irregular sleep, and physical strain can lead to serious medical conditions, so staying ahead of any issues is a priority. One of the most common health issues among cabin crew is varicose veins, swollen, twisted veins that develop from standing for long hours. This condition is painful and can get worse over time. Many crew members eventually undergo a procedure called phlebectomy, which is a minor surgery to remove damaged veins. And yes, this isn't cheap. Normal sleep patterns. One day they're waking up at 2 a.m. for a flight, and the next, they're working a night shift. This constant disruption leads to chronic sleep deprivation, which doesn't just make you tired, it can trigger serious mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Therapy, medication, and wellness treatments, that's another expense crew have to budget for. Did you know that the service carts flight attendants push down the aisle weigh about 140 kilograms, which is over 300 pounds? Repeatedly pulling and pushing these heavy carts, combined with long hours on their feet, leads to chronic back pain, muscle strain, and even heart and blood pressure issues. Many crew members spend money on physiotherapy, chiropractic sessions, and even specialized gym memberships to keep their bodies from breaking down. So, next time you see a flight attendant looking flawless in their uniform, just know, behind the scenes, they're investing a lot in their health just to keep going. What do you think? Would you still want to be cabin crew knowing these hidden costs? Let me know in the comments.